Assalamu alaikum. Brothers and sisters, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, resonate through the ages, offering timeless wisdom and guidance on how to live a fulfilling and purposeful life. Among his profound insights are the principles of etiquette, character development, and spiritual growth, which continue to inspire millions around the world. In a world where manners often take a back seat to individual pursuits and societal pressures, the Prophet's emphasis on the importance of good character and manners shines brightly as a beacon of guidance. He once said, "The best among you are those who have the best manners and character," encapsulating the essence of Islamic ethics and behavior. Reflecting on these words, we're compelled to examine our daily habits and interactions, considering how they reflect our inner values and character. How often do we pause to ponder the impact of our actions on ourselves and those around us? Today, we embark on a journey to explore 10 Islamic habits that not only enhance our manners, but also enrich our lives and relationships. Habit 1. The power of being you. Authenticity lies at the heart of Islamic teachings, urging us to embrace our true selves without pretense or artifice. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of genuine character, stating that the believers with the most perfect faith are those with the best character. In a world that often pressures us to conform to societal norms and expectations, embracing our true selves becomes an act of faith and authenticity. By recognizing and accepting our strengths, weaknesses, desires, and beliefs, we align our actions with our inner values, fostering self-respect and inner peace while attracting others to the beauty of our character. Habit 2. Style. Style isn't merely about fashion. It's a reflection of our values and principles. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that Allah loves beauty and cleanliness, emphasizing the importance of presenting ourselves with care and dignity. Dressing well and appropriately isn't just a social custom. It's a spiritual practice that communicates respect for ourselves and others. By thoughtfully choosing our attire and grooming, we set a tone of dignity and propriety, fostering mutual respect and understanding in our interactions. Habit 3. Master your body language. Communication extends beyond words, with body language often speaking louder than verbal expressions. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a master of nonverbal communication, teaching us the importance of good manners and respectful behavior. By mastering our body language, maintaining eye contact, using a calm tone, and offering gestures of understanding and respect, we enhance our interactions and relationships, fostering a positive environment built on mutual respect and empathy. Habit 4. Cleanliness in Islam. Cleanliness isn't just a physical attribute, but a reflection of our spiritual state. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized that cleanliness is half of faith, highlighting its significance in our religious life. By maintaining cleanliness in our bodies, clothes, and surroundings, we not only fulfill a fundamental teaching of Islam, but also show gratitude for the blessings bestowed upon us. Cleanliness impacts our physical health and mental clarity, creating an environment conducive to worship and reflection, while presenting a positive image of Muslims to the broader community. Habit 5. Self-care. Self-care isn't selfish. It's an essential aspect of our well-being and service to others. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, prioritized personal care and encouraged others to do the same, recognizing its significance in Islam. By maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, ensuring adequate rest, and managing stress through prayer and meditation, we honor our bodies as gifts from Allah, enhancing our ability to fulfill our daily tasks, serve our community, and fulfill our religious obligations. Habit 6. Inner strength and resilience. Resilience isn't merely about enduring hardships. It's about finding value and purpose in every experience. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, exemplified unwavering faith and trust in Allah, even in the face of adversity. Reflecting on his teachings, we learn to express gratitude for blessings and embrace patience during challenges, shaping us into individuals of strong character and deep faith. This resilience enables us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and wisdom, inspiring others through our example of steadfastness and hope. Habit 7. Confidence. Confidence isn't about arrogance or outward displays of bravado. It's about inner strength and self-assurance. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that true confidence is rooted in humility and modesty, shaping our demeanor with composure and respect. By embodying silent confidence, navigating life's challenges with resilience, grace, and humility, we inspire others through our example of dignified conduct and steadfast commitment to our values. Habit 8. Embracing silence. Silence isn't merely the absence of sound. It's a profound practice that fosters introspection and spiritual growth. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, valued the thoughtful use of words and encouraged moments of silence for reflection and understanding. By embracing silence, we create space for contemplation, deepen our spiritual connection, and cultivate patience and self-regulation. In a world filled with noise and distractions, silence becomes a sanctuary for inner peace and mindfulness. Habit 9. Gratitude. Gratitude isn't just a fleeting emotion, it's a fundamental virtue deeply rooted in Islamic teachings. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lived his life in a constant state of thankfulness to Allah, recognizing every blessing as a gift from him. By cultivating gratitude, acknowledging and appreciating Allah's favors, we foster humility, contentment, and spiritual connection, enriching our lives and relationships with positivity and grace. Habit 10. Showing kindness to all. Kindness isn't merely a gesture, it's a way of life that reflects the essence of Islamic teachings. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, exemplified kindness in every interaction, treating everyone with grace and compassion. By embodying kindness, seeking ways to bring goodness into the lives of others, we foster empathy, compassion, and mutual respect, building strong and supportive communities rooted in love and understanding. Incorporating these 10 habits into our daily lives, inspired by the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we not only enhance our own well-being, but also contribute to a more compassionate and harmonious world. May these habits bring out the best in us and inspire others to follow the path of virtue and righteousness. Peace be upon you, brothers and sisters. If you found this video beneficial, I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button below. Your support helps us continue to create content that spreads positivity and knowledge. Jazakallahu khairan. May Allah reward you with goodness.